Sir, ano pong mas maganda? Mitsubishi Expander Cross or Toyota Rush? Sige, Chaddy Boy, shoutout sa'yo. Sagutin natin. So, simulan natin sa looks. You guys know, big deal sa akin yon. So, para sa akin, very close tong dalawang to. Toyota Rush para sa akin, all-time pinakamagandang design ng sasakyan in all categories. Yan yung para sa akin talaga, no? I'm in love with the design talaga ni Toyota Rush. On the other hand, Expander Cross naman, very highly respected para sa akin. Like I said before, if not Toyota Rush or Veloz, pinakamaganda talaga yung nagpapatibok ng puso ko, Expander Cross talaga. Sobrang brusko. So when it comes to looks, depende na sa inyo yun. Subjective naman yan kung alin sa dalawang to yung nagpapatibok talaga ng puso nyo. I think dito lang talaga magkakatalo sa interior nilang dalawa. If I'll be honest, no matter how much I love the exterior design of Toyota Rush, when you get inside, nung nag-test drive kami guys, it felt honestly like a sedan. So it means medyo parang sedan yung pakiramdam sa loob, and fabric seats pa siya, no? So medyo alanganin talaga ng konti when it comes to the interior si Toyota Rush. On the other hand, Expander Cross, sobrang premium ng feeling inside. Build quality is good. Nung pintuan, leather seats ka pa, and then Montero steering wheels for the Expander Cross. So para ka rin naka SUV or naka Montero if you choose the Expander Cross. And then when it comes to features naman, both of them have reverse camera, rear sensors. Yun lang naman yung pinaka hinihingi natin. Sa akin na negotiable, meron naman sila nun, thankfully. But si Expander Cross, yun lang talaga, lamang siya dahil meron siyang electronic parking brakes tsaka auto hold brakes na wala si Toyota Rush. Rear wheel drive din pala si Toyota Rush, doon naman siya lamang, which is peace of mind yun sa mga akyatan, and then automatic transmission din siya. Which I know a lot of those who like the conventional or traditional automatic, medyo mas prefer nila yun kesa sa new or modern na CVT. Of course, one big reason that I see is because yun nga, yung hatak ng automatic traditional transmission is mas maganda talaga yung hatak agad compared sa CVT na may rubber band effect pa. So let it be known that I considered really hard Toyota Rush as our first car, but if papipiliin ako ngayon, siguro I'll go for the Expander Cross. So sana nakatulong tong video na to. Watch my full in-depth comparison sa YouTube playlist natin. Sana nakatulong, follow for more.